Is your cough keeping you up at night? Got a cough? Don't just grab any cough syrup. To truly command your cough, you need to match the medication to your specific cough type. Taking the wrong one won't help and might even be counterproductive. Is it a dry, unproductive cough that keeps you awake? Look for a cough suppressant with dextromethorphan. This quiets the cough reflex. Is it a wet, chesty cough with mucus? You need an expectorant, like guaifenesin. This thins mucus, making it easier to cough up. Avoid combo products that treat symptoms you don't have. Always read the label and identify your cough. Matching the med to your cough is the smart way to get real relief.